Oh, baba na kami guys. Alis na kami. Nandiyan ang aming bus. What's that?
Mama, want ice cream? Strawberry.
Yes, please.
Mama,
Vanilla.
What? Vanilla? What
Yeah.
type of cone? Will you like chocolate cone, regular cone, or vanilla cone?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
cone?
Yeah.
Vanilla.
Nagkasya pa rin siya.
How many scoops you like?
Mom, pick one. Which one do you want? Do you want
Nagkasya
ice?
siya. Wait, guys. Nagkasya siya. Oh. Nagkasya.
Which one?
What?
Which one? Vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, or
Ice lolly.
ice lollies?
Okay, try the ice lolly.
Mama, you said
Okay,
you
put it
wanted
here, put it
You
here.
said you wanted vanilla.
Okay, mix
Okay,
together.
Mix together.
Yeah.
1 and 2.
Yeah.
And try.
Here.
Wait, here.
Girl.
Vanilla. And from this. Here and then. Right here.
Customer daw nila ako, guys. $10. Okay.
Okay, let's start.
Thank you. Oh, Diyos. Hindi na makalabas. Pasaway. What? You're not done yet? Naglalaro siya. Hmm? I have a lot of candies, ate. Hmm? Okay, done? Okay. Ayan. Puntahan namin si husband. Naghahantay sa amin, guys. Ayan, ang papa. Ano pa? Let's go na? Ha? Wala na? Ay, may dadaanan daw siya sa Dalaramo. Okay. Pauwi na kami. Nag-aantay kami ng bus. Nandito kami sa waiting shed. Kasi nga mahirap pag ganitong guys. Mahangin, malamig. 1 digit lang ngayon. 5 minutes pa yung aming bus. Ay, don't do that. Yung dalawa na to, oh. Makulit. 1 digit lang ngayon, guys. Last 5. Yan. Big. Nagumpukan kami dito sa loob. Makulit na dalawa. Sige.
I want soda.
Soda?
Soda.
Wala pa.
Soda.
Ayan, guys. Ang aming weather ay gloomy. Makulimlim. Bye guys. Thank you for watching everyone. Kami ay nag-aantay pa ng bus namin, guys. Say bye-bye.
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 Copy this. Copy.
Wow, wow, wow. Nagda-dance daw siya. Paano?
That's how you do it. If you're watching this video, copy me now.
Okay.
The end.
The end. Okay. Lalakad kami, guys. Wala akong makita doon sa isa. Hawak-hawak ang bathroom tissue. Bathroom tissue and paper towel, guys. Dito na kami. Frozen!
How are you doing?
Wait na. Ay. Aray. Sorry, anak.